What's going on, my good people? I know it's been a minute. This is going to be a video. We're going to see how this goes across. No intro, no outro. I'm just going to do a plain Jane, as y'all can see. Got here on Black Friday. Look, my daughter got her popcorn. She on her iPhone 11. Got the popcorn stand back there, Panda Express. All of this going on. So, y'all don't want to see all that. It's definitely all about the shoes. I want to welcome you to my channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe in this piece. Happy, I don't know if it's happy, I should say happy Aloha Friday. As you can see, so we got right here, we got my shoes right here. Air Max 270 React Bauhaus, or whatever they call these joints. It's just a retail price, $150. We got my daughter and her boyfriend right here. See, she turned around. Daughter, she trying to be a hater. She don't want to get in. Okay. But as you can see, the official colorway, Phantom University Gold. You got your RF code. I think these joints were $99. And then they $80 with the receipts. Y'all out there, whoever got those Bloodline ones, more power to you. Also, make sure y'all tune in tomorrow to the Who Has the Heat battle, which we got Gone AWOL versus J. Smith Jordan. You feel me? And I'm currently all the way to 5K. I'm all over the place on this video. That's how rested I am. Caught these from Champs. Back on, you can see you got the QR code, stamp and ramp, all that stuff. Got the little paper. This shoe is pretty comfortable though, so it's got to be your cup of tea though. It's got to be your cup of tea. Check it out, check it out. So look at it there. Spin it around. Get a 360 of them. As you can see, I like the materials. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Underneath, as you can see, you got the 270 unit as well as you got the React. You can definitely feel it in these shoes. So that's a plus. You got your swoosh, which is this way. On the front of the shoe, you got some black hits, which is like your, I don't know what kind of material that is, but it's interesting material. Got leather right here. You got your white laces. Then you got Air 270 React, which is pretty dope. I mean, this is a colorful done shoe, so that's up to you. You got your teal green there. You got your yellow hits there. Nice here. Pretty good cushion here. Your rubber unit is like, you can see that blue? Like a bluish purple, which is dope. And you got your swoosh. You got your pull tab on the back. With your Jordan, I mean, not your Jordan, I'm all over the place. You got with your swoosh, your black swoosh. Very dope, so you don't have to fight and put your shoe on. Got your Nike React here on the side. Your yellow swoosh. I mean, I like it, but like I said, it just depends on what your cup of tea is, right? Size 8.5, and then you got the insole over there with your nice color. Definitely a summer shoe for those of you who are out there. So you guys let me know what you think. Like I said, this is a shoe you can wear all day for those of you who are on your feet. Very comfy, especially if you walk around a lot. So on the Lady Lit Meet, I give this shoe about a 4.6 out of 5. Reason being, new technology. Price point is good. It was about, I think it was 99. Got it for like $85, so you can't go wrong with that. And like I said, price point you can't beat it in a very comfy shoe. Sorry for all the background noise, but I'm just trying to do something different, just out and about. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment suggestion below. I respond to all of my comments within 72 hours. I used to say 48 hours, but 72 hours now, because as the channel grows, slow down in the comments, but I will get back to you. Please believe me. So thank you for all the love and support. Y'all always know, as we renew this movement, all YouTubers, we doing this thing, hashtag brick by brick. You feel me? It's Emoneyshoes, and I'm out. Peace.